have this 2013 Honda Accord. Vehicle was towed in. It starts but stalls right away and shuts off. You can see all that carbon buildup on the throttle plate. Usually the throttle plate will stay stuck. So we're gonna try to break it loose, see if it is stuck or not. You saw that carbon buildup? It was stuck. That's causing the car not to start. This car is due for a fuel injection cleaning, throttle body cleaning also. That'll help it. There's also a software update available for these. Usually I'll set a code, P2101. The check engine light is on. We're gonna check it again. Alright, we're gonna try to start it again. And there we go. Vehicle's now started. Check engine light is on, obviously. Most likely P2101. Alrighty.